With 50 years of backhoe expertise, we're proud to present the Terex TLB840 Backhoe Loader, our most versatile, innovative and efficient backhoe loader yet, designed around you and your work. Discover the new, spacious, ergonomic cab, restyled for greater comfort and productivity. Step into the cab of the new Terex TLB840 and you'll see why it's a triumph of form and functionality. Behind the wheel or at the controls, the operator sits in a comfortable environment thanks to the increased floor space, upgraded heating and ventilation, and high-performance air conditioning unit. The full-depth up and over rear window can be quickly opened and stowed safely in the roof for convenience. Our new curved boom design provides greater clearance to reach over obstacles and the ability to load closer into trucks. This increased versatility means greater productivity. Smooth operation is further enhanced with the use of automatic cushioning in the boom and swing cylinders. With a dig depth to 5.4 meters and a reach at ground level of up to 6.7 meters, the figures are impressive, and so are the results. We've included a new deep dig outer slide extending dipper stick to allow you to clamp objects with ease between bucket and dipper. An optional thumb attachment is also available for grab and grip applications, such as the lifting and handling of logs, stumps and boulders. The new cast hard nose counterweight gives improved weight distribution and full component protection. The fully opening tilting front hood allows for ease of access to the 94 horsepower charge air-cooled engine. Delivering smooth and economical operation, the high-performance engine ensures maximum productivity whilst pushing and digging with the front loader. The Terex TLB840 is a high-performance backhoe loader, whether digging, reaching, lifting or loading. Contact your local Terex dealer for a test drive or visit us at our website for further information.